Alright, welcome back to MyDan Computer Training Channel. If you've ever wondered how creators make text, images, or videos move smoothly across the screen, the secret is keyframes. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use keyframes in CapCut to create professional animations even if you're a beginner. So let's get started. First up, what actually is a keyframe? Well, it's like a marker that tells CapCut where an object should be at a specific point in time. By adding 2 or more keyframes, CapCut moves the object smoothly between those points. Think of it like setting waypoints on a map. Each waypoint is a keyframe, and the path between them is the animation. Now let's see how to add a keyframe. First, place your cursor on the clip or object you want to animate. Next, move the playhead to where you want the movement to start, then tap the diamond keyframe button. Now move forward in the timeline, adjust the position of your clip or object, and that's it. CapCut will automatically fill in the motion between those 2 keyframes. Great! Now that you know how to add a keyframe, let's see how to move an object with keyframes. For example, here I want to move this image from the left side of the screen to the right. To do that, I first add a keyframe at the start of the movement. Next, move the playhead to where I want the image to end up and tap the keyframe button again. Now CapCut has 2 keyframes and it knows to move the image between those 2 positions. And remember, you can always go back and adjust your keyframes to fine-tune your animation. Now let's take it up a notch. You can also use keyframes to scale objects up and down or rotate them. For example, here I added a keyframe to zoom in on this text, and it really makes it pop. You can also rotate objects with keyframes. Check this out. Here I have a sticker of a plane, and I can rotate it to make it spin around. Now that you know the basics, let's get creative and combine keyframes to make something really cool. Here I'm going to make this text move across the screen while also scaling up. It's like a dynamic spotlight revealing important information. As you become a CapCut pro, here are some tips to help you animate like a boss. Use fewer keyframes for smooth, natural-looking motion. Space them out in the timeline for slower movement and place them closer together for quick, snappy motion. Remember, the spacing between keyframes controls the speed of your animation? Alright, quick recap. First, add a keyframe marker. Next, move the object to its new position. Finally, CapCut does the rest. Fill in the animation between your markers. You can also use scaling, rotation, and position to create different effects. Just remember, the spacing between your keyframes determines the speed of your animation. And that's the magic of keyframes. Now go out there and animate like a CapCut pro. In the next part of this series, we'll explore transitions, another exciting way to make your edits look professional. But before you go, in the comments below, tell me what type of animation you want to try first. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching. See ya!